This natural remedy can help you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies for coughs and colds. Let's get started. First up, the golden elixir. Honey, soothe sore throats. Mix 2 teaspoons with warm water and lemon. Avoid giving honey to infants under 12 months old. Next, meet your gut superheroes. Probiotics, balance gut flora. Support immune function. Find them in yogurt, miso soup, and kombucha. Now let's talk about bromelain. Found in pineapples. May ease congestion. Add pineapple to your diet. Remember, nature has our back. Try these natural remedies and breathe easy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share with fellow sniffle warriors. Stay well, everyone.